MeloBoo. Hey kids, let's learn fruit's name today. What is this fruit name? An apple. An apple. This is an apple. This is an apple. What is this fruit name? Banana. A banana. This is a banana. This is a banana. What is this fruit name? Grapes. A bunch of grapes. Grapes. A bunch of grapes. This isn't grapes. This isn't grapes. What is this fruit name? A guava. A guava. This isn't guava. What is this fruit name? A tasty blueberry. A tasty blueberry. This isn't blueberry.